Welcome, and thank you for joining me in this moment of stillness and healing. I'm Jacinta, and you're listening to Jacinta Healing Arts, a space created to guide you back to yourself, to your breath, and to the calm within. Life, much like the weather, can shift without warning. One moment might feel like sunshine on your face, and the next like an unexpected storm. In this meditation, we'll explore how to become steady and centered no matter what life brings, learning to adapt with grace, just as we do with the changing seasons. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat or lie down wherever you feel most comfortable and supported. Close your eyes and begin by taking few calming breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let each breath guide you deeper into presence. Now imagine yourself standing in a wide, open field. Above you, the sky begins to shift. Clouds roll in, then scatter. A breeze picks up, then softens. The sun peeks through, warm and reassuring. Now, notice how the weather changes. Yet you remain still and grounded. In this space, you come to realize you're not the storm. You're the quiet awareness beneath it. You're the calm witnessing the wind. You are the strength standing in the changing light. Let that knowing settle in your body. Feel your feet planted firmly. Feel your breath steady and soft. Feel the calm in your heart. Just as you've adjusted to the unpredictability of the weather, you have the power to adjust to the unpredictability of life. You're resilient. You are adaptable. You are supported. Now gently bring your mind to a recent challenge. Something that may have caught you off guard, just like a sudden downpour. See it clearly for a moment. Rather than resist it, simply acknowledge it. Breathe through it. And let it pass like a cloud across the sky. And as you breathe softly, repeat within, I flow with life's changes. I trust the rhythm of my journey. I welcome the sun and the storm. Take a few more deep, calming breaths. Let your body feel light. Let your spirit feel free. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wriggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. You're safe, you're present, you're enough, just as you are. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Come back to this space whenever life feels uncertain. And always remember, like the weather, this too shall pass. Love and light.